Hi guys. If you know anything from other Squarespace review, it probably that Squarespace is crowned as the most stylish builder, and you know what, I totally agree. Most of the 100 plus template offer are modern, colorful and well optimized. You do not need to take my word for it. Squarespace website design or template consistently win web award. The list of winning design is quite impressive. So if you are all about style, use my discount deal below or the QR code on the screen to get the best deal. Of course, you cannot call yourself the best website builder these days without AI implementation, and I am going to be frank with you. Squarespace AI is varied at it is sort of non-existent in the designing part. Like, sure, I can add certain section to a website and choose from a few options, but this is very limited and not really creating anything new. There an AI written that can fill your site with relative text, and that it for AI. Yeah, no more tool or implementation. It is kind of disappointing when smaller provider like Hostinger have full on AI template generation as well as free AI tool. Editing Squarespace design. Doing a Squarespace review in 2024, it's important to note that can we covered its last big update card refresh, and there seem to be improvement from last time, especially in the wall platform speed. Editing sometimes called have felt slow, but now it's way better. I just love the Squarespace editor. It's so minimalistic that I can sometimes even forget that I am editing a website compared to it. Sometimes like Wix, which just throw everything at you, feel overwhelming. Pairing with this smooth drag and drop control and nice selecting of different element, I can confidently recommend it Squarespace for beginner. To help you out, Squarespace has grid that can help you design, and it's slow and exactly when the element you are dragging is in the middle of the page. I also like that Squarespace including more unique element that just text or image. You got SoundCloud player donation and even Amazon integration. Squarespace pricing and e-commerce. So how much will this cost you? Squarespace is a premier budget builder. With the 14-day trial, you can create as many test sites as you need, but cannot publish them overall. The pricing is okay, slightly our price if you are not looking to run business website, but each plan comes with a free domain name for 1 year and allow you to sell services. If you want to sell physical product, go for the business plan. However, I really like that Squarespace does not tax you so much for monthly subscription, so its value option if you do not like preparing for things. But no matter what, don't forget to use discount. You can find the newest one in the description. Another aspect of the Squarespace website builder that I like in the simplicity of the managing and marketing tool. A Squarespace good for e-commerce, yeah, maybe not for complex or large store, but you can easily create email campaign, manage inventory, or create promotional material. But do note that most useful e-commerce feature will be logged under the highest tier plan. How fast are Squarespace website? Last but not least, we should cover performance. Google, the almighty monopoly on search engines, recommended loading within 2.5 seconds for the best search result. Optimization for SEO for short. If your website loading slowly, Google can just push it down in search result. Running a newly built website through page speed inside a free tool from Google. Squarespace managed to be just on that 2.5 second line. I also wanted to test a few websites that Squarespace itself advertises, and the result they are very similar, hovering around the 2.4 to 2.8 second mark. In recent years, the world of e-commerce has witnessed a